Welcome to the Android channel, and this is a quick update as Google has disclosed a problem with security that is affecting a certain number of phones. It is an old security flaw that is apparently being exploited in the wild by bad guys. So until you get an update, be careful where you connect and what you do. So basically, it affects the Pixel phones. It affects a few Huawei phones, including the P20. It affects some Samsung Galaxy phones. The S7, S8, and S9 are affected. All on whatever Android 9 Pie or Android 10 or Android 8 Oreo also are affected. Now, there will be, of course, an update issued. Google did say that the Pixel phones, like the Pixel 2, for example, will get a update in the October patches. So as soon as you see some updates for your device for security, please apply them, as this is a really easy to exploit flaw where bad guys can typically take control of your phone. So just check out the different updates. Typically, of course, some of these companies like Samsung are always a little late, like a month late in the security patches. But if you have the security patches for the month of October 2019 on your device, this will fix that big security flaw. This is an old flaw that was discovered in 2017, and that seems to be exploited now by bad guys on these devices. Kind of interesting, it wasn't fixed before. So just check from time to time, make sure that you apply the latest patches to your Android phone. And it's a reminder that it's always a very good idea to have the latest security updates available for your phone and your Android tablets in general. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.